This is Broadmeadows Estate in the Scottish Borders, a diverse estate with a huge woodland project.
It is incredibly powerful to go out in the world and see the impact of your work. So when we bring our clients to an amazing location like this at Broadmeadows, they can actually see the people doing the work. They can feel the essence of what's happening.
Well, you can read reports and you can look at photographs and you can look at slide decks, but there's nothing that gives you the same, well, it infects you with enthusiasm than being on site, looking at it.
DWF aren't supporting a project. They're integral to its success.
I think it's an incredible project. I think the landowner and founder of the project, Alec, is absolutely amazing.
It inspires us to be here and see for real just how fantastic it is.
The biodiversity improvements you can see on an annual basis.
When we arrived here today, from the minute we set foot on the land, it was really clear that it was a place you could feel that nature was thriving.
This project is not just about the forest, that's the main bit, but it's also about the community, it's about the biodiversity, and it's about engaging and inspiring others to do the same thing.
I'm getting really excited about this because it's something that we've created. It spurs along imagination.
And all three parties have worked together, delivered a result. We couldn't have done it without each other.
It's true collaboration.
I hope they feel proud for the climate action leadership they're taking.
It's something to be proud of, something to point to that's sustainable for the future, and something that's inspiring and innovative.
It takes an entire team with cross-functional skills to deliver a project like this. We're doing it right, we're doing it well, and we're making sure it's sustainable over the long term.
For our people, our clients, and everything we stand for, this is a perfect project for DWF to be involved in.
Not only are they driving climate impact, but they're changing lives for the future.